Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin, coin trading for $0.0046. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for JasmyCoin? JasmyCoin is down deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down in the bear market. JasmyCoin is down more than 96% from the all-time high in the last 1 year. Guys, in this video, we'll take a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart, JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap. Currently, it has a market cap of just $22 million. What's our path to a new all-time high and where we're going to face significant resistance is JasmyCoin is pumping to new all-time highs. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we are deep in the 2022 crypto bear market. All coins are down really bad. In the case of JasmyCoin, it's down 30.3% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 year, it's down a whopping 96%. The bear market is very crazy. The bear market is very brutal to altcoin. We have seen JasmyCoin pump really well in the bull run, but we have also seen it dump really well in the bear market. JasmyCoin was launched somewhere around February 2021. We saw this altcoin go from as high as $4.4 to as low as $0.0081. Crazy dump in 99.82% drop from the all-time high, but something strange happened. We saw a rally in JasmyCoin where it went up more than 3,500% in 120 days. JasmyCoin went up more than 35 times. If you invested $1,000 in JasmyCoin on the 1st of July 2021, guys, by November 2021, your $1,000 invested in JasmyCoin would have returned more than $35,000. Anytime there's a crash, anytime there's trip to gobbling town, when people think it's over, that's when you want to be investing. JasmyCoin just proved that. But when everybody's shouting we're going to the moon, you want to be careful, because after that kind of huge impressive rise we saw in JasmyCoin in November 2021, JasmyCoin dropped to gobbling town, losing more than 98% of its value again. This is the second time we are seeing this kind of huge dump in the price of JasmyCoin. Now, how long will it take JasmyCoin to get to new all-time highs? Can we ever see JasmyCoin trading above $3, $4, maybe into new all-time highs? Because guys, from where JasmyCoin is currently trading right now, for it to get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin, this coin will have to go up over 1000x. Is that possible? I'll be showing you important resistance level you want to pay attention to for JasmyCoin over this bear market. But first, let's look at some details about JasmyCoin. In the last 1 year, this altcoin has gone from as high as $0.33 to as low as $0.0041. With a market cap of $22 million and a fully diluted market cap of $235 million, we have a total supply of 50 billion Jasmy tokens. Out of those 50 billion tokens, we have 4.75 billion JasmyCoins in circulation. That's 10% of the total supply. Currently ranked 553 on coin market cap. Over 97,000 people have JasmyCoin on their watch list. What's JasmyCoin? JasmyCoin is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider Jasmy Corporation. As a system, the Internet of Things include mechanical and digital elements endowed with an identifier and ability to transmit data. The Internet of Things company Jasmy specializes in buying and selling data, and the Jasmy platform connects two categories: service providers and data users. Where can you get some JasmyCoin if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? You can get JasmyCoin on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on Wobi Global, on BitTop, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Back to the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart. Key levels to be watching out for JasmyCoin in the bear market. I'll be checking out JasmyCoin where we bottom right here, the $0.0047 level. Very, very critical level. If that proves to be the bear market bottom, guys, you'll be shouting kumbaya when we get to higher prices. Another important level that has acted as support for JasmyCoin over the last 1 year will be the $0.0091 level. If you take a look at how JasmyCoin has been doing since July 2021, caught a bounce around that level, tried to pump to get new all-time highs. JasmyCoin went up over 30x, stay dumping to gobbling town, we stay catching some bounces around that $0.0091 level. And you can see that after we finally lost that level in September 2022, we saw JasmyCoin finally dump to gobbling town again, losing another 50% of its value. If JasmyCoin can get above the $0.0093 level in the future, guys, we'll be getting ready for higher resistance level, and I'll be paying close attention to what JasmyCoin will do around the $0.043 level. Guys, remember, JasmyCoin might be very, very volatile. The market cap is just $22 million, so there's huge potential to the upside, but at the same time, it can really dump to gobbling town. I've seen a lot of altcoins like JasmyCoin dump really low in the bear market. In the next bull run, they will shoot more than 100x. For JasmyCoin, from where it's currently trading right now, for it to get to the height where it was in November 2021, JasmyCoin will have to go up over 7,000%. It means $1,000 invested in JasmyCoin right now should return over $70,000 if it can get back to where it was in November 2021. If we push it a little further and say, can JasmyCoin get back to where it was on the 5th of May 2021? Guys, for JasmyCoin to do that, a $1,000 investment in JasmyCoin now should return over $461,000. Is that really possible? And for JasmyCoin to get into new all-time highs, guys, this is the first coin I'm bringing you on this channel that I probably believe it has the possibility of 1,000x. JasmyCoin has to go up over 1,000x for it to set new all-time highs. Is that possible? Important levels you should also pay attention to for JasmyCoin in this bear market will be where we got stopped out in November 2021 around the $0.25 region. Pay attention to what JasmyCoin's price will be doing when we get to that level. If we can get above that level, we'll just be left with two resistance levels. JasmyCoin able to clear the $0.9881 region, guys. JasmyCoin will be gearing for the $2.25 level, and finally the previous all-time high around $5. Is that possible? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see JasmyCoin recovering all the losses we have had since February 2021 and try to set new all-time highs? If you take a look at what JasmyCoin has been doing against Bitcoin, we had a crazy pump to the upside in 2021. We saw JasmyCoin outperform Bitcoin by more than 2,200%. But guys, that was not the full story. If you go on the big time frame, you can see that JasmyCoin is down really bad against Bitcoin. JasmyCoin is down more than 99.99% against Bitcoin. And for JasmyCoin to ever set new all-time highs against Bitcoin, it has to outperform Bitcoin by over 37,000%. The bull run will tell us whether this will be possible, but guys, you want to invest in the bear market when all these altcoins are down bad, when nobody wants them. If you take a look at what JasmyCoin has did against Ethereum, it had a glorious pump in the year 2021. It went up more than 2,000%. But if you go on a larger time frame, you can see that JasmyCoin is down really bad against Ethereum, losing more than 99.9% of its value. And for JasmyCoin to set new all-time high against Ethereum in the future, guys, JasmyCoin will have to return more than a 71% increase against Ethereum. One Ethereum invested in JasmyCoin right now should return over 714 Ethereums if JasmyCoin can break into new all-time highs against Ethereum. Is that possible, guys? The market cap for JasmyCoin is telling us there's a very slim chance that's very possible. We have seen the market cap go from as high as $1.6 billion. That was in November 2021. The market cap has dropped more than 98% to as low as $22 million. How far can JasmyCoin's market cap go by the end of the next bull run? If we use our favorite tool on this channel, the Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, this tool is telling us that JasmyCoin's market cap can even get to as high as $6.5 billion by the end of the next bull run. The market cap will need to go up more than 291 times if that's going to be possible. Do you think that will be possible, guys? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Will you be buying more JasmyCoin right now in the bear market? All coins are down really bad in the bear market. 2022 has been brutal to them. Do you believe this is a good investment to make in the bear market? Or are you waiting for lower prices before you start accumulating some JasmyCoin? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2.